how to make $20,000 every single month using the 16 steps that I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so it's very easy stepwise process. Please follow the steps. Do not forget to like and comment on my videos. I'm giving you the full process and full ways. Okay, so how to make money online, what are the good trainings that you can take, what you can where to get the traffic, where to take the training, what softwares are good, what are not good. Okay, so it will be a very short video but to the point video. Okay, so let's get started. Go to a2wizard.com. okay, so this is your first step. Go to a2wizard.com and you'll see this screen. Okay, so insert your real email address out here. Okay, so first of all, insert your real email address out here and just click give me access out here. Okay, so we are not only going to talk about email extractor. Okay, so this is just one part of making money. Okay, this is just tip of an iceberg. Okay, so go and insert your email out here. Okay, so once you insert your email, you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so you'll see this page. Thank you for subscribing, private access granted, check your email. Okay, so it will take at least 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes you'll get 2 emails from me. Okay, so you can see out here 2 emails, but while waiting for the email, just look at this bonus webinar. Okay, so this is a must watch webinar. So just if you do not want to watch right away, just go and insert your email, name and email, and you can watch it later on. But if you are serious, okay, so if you are serious, if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to make money from Facebook, from Instagram, from TikTok, and using Pinterest, and there are a lot of other ways to make money online. And remember, these are all these trainings are given by Jonathan Montoya, and he's one of the best in this industry. Okay, so and not only that, inside the members area you'll also find experts in whether it's free traffic, paid traffic. There are a lot of things. Okay, so just go and watch the webinar and you'll know everything about it. Okay, so you can clone 7-figure income business in 20 minutes. Okay, so you can clone that much in 20 minutes, and this is something that I want you to please go and watch the free webinar. Okay, it won't cost you anything to watch the webinar, but you'll know the entire business, how it works, and this will be your best investment. Okay, so if you want to go and join it, okay, so just go and watch, go and take this webinar. Okay, so this is your second step, and third step is you'll receive 2 emails from me. Okay, so this is about welcoming you, and this is where you get the resource page link. Okay, so just go out here and go and get the link. Okay, so once you get the link, you'll see this page. Okay, so this is the blueprint where you'll get everything. You'll get the links to everything that you need to make money online. Okay, so first of all, we'll be using this email extractor software. Okay, so there are 2 email extractor software that I'm going to tell you. So now this one. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so once you click out here, what you'll get is you'll get a email extractor, email verifier, list manager, email bulk email sender. Okay, so everyone, most of you are asking me how to send bulk emails. Okay, so now you can get email logger out here and who is explorer. Okay, it costs $229 one-time payment, and you can use the software forever. Okay, so you'll get 1 year updates. Okay, and you do not need so much updates. Okay, so with just 1 license you can use it for many years. Okay, so of course if there are new features you can go and renew the license, but it's not required at all. Okay, and remember, you can, if you want, you can only get the mail sender or the email tracker, whatever you want. Okay, so you can buy it separately. Okay, so my suggestion for you is go with the bundle offer, $229. Now I hear you say $229 is a lot of money for beginners. Okay, so but if you have the money, if you have the budget, this software is worth it. If you do not have this, okay, so go to this next link out here. Okay, so I've given out here. Now this software is also similar to the previous one, but it does not have 24/7 support. Okay, so the support is very slow, but it does the work. Okay, so go and get the ultimate edition of this software, whereas this software has 24/7 support team to help you guys. Okay, so this is the best email extractor, verifier, and bulk email sender software. Okay, so I use this software. This interface is out here. You can go and insert your keywords and extract emails in a matter of few seconds. It also has an email verifier. It also has an email sender software, and they also have other things like mailbox extractor, Yelp extractor, Facebook groups extractor, Twitter extractor, company email finder, etc. Okay, so now this is the software which I highly recommend. Okay, so So if you are on a budget, you can go with this, and after you make money, you can go with this another one. Okay, so next thing, you need an email extractor, verifier, and sender. Okay, so what we are doing is we are going to extract emails, we are going to verify those emails, and we'll be sending emails using bulk emails. Okay, so using bulk emails from this software. Okay, so I'll get into this in a while, but before that, okay, so while we are promoting offer, okay, so we need to find offers to promote. So in order to find offers to promote, head over to clickbank.com, and you can see there are a lot of offers you can find. Okay, you do not have to buy these products, but you just have to promote these products. Okay, in order to promote these products, you just have to click this and get your affiliate link, which you can promote. Okay, so if you are not accepted in ClickBank, head over to Digistore24 and you can find products. Okay, it's similar thing. Okay, so but let's get back to this place. Okay, so now important tools you need. Okay, so if you cannot write your own emails, that means if you do not have that experience, if you are not a copywriter, okay, so you can go and get email swipes. Okay, so these are done for you email swipes, that is 180 plus done for you email swipes, because we'll be doing email marketing. Okay, so we'll be sending emails to the list of people that we extract from this software. Okay, so we'll be emailing them, promoting offers from ClickBank or Digistore24. Okay, so it's similar. Okay, and now after you go, if you want to get this email swipes, okay, so you just have to click this link and you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so go and watch this video and grab this for just $47. Okay, I think they just lowered the price. Okay, so it was like 100 and actually it was $97. Okay, so I think, yeah, now you can see that you'll get 180 email swipes, but that's not only the case. Okay, you'll also get products to promote. You will also get 100% commission on products to promote. Okay, so in ClickBank you'll get up to 75%. I think most of them pays 50% commission. Okay, so but with this one you'll also get an entire funnel where all those email swipes are ready for you to make money. Okay, so I think this is something that you should consider buying if you do not want to write your own emails. Okay, so I'm not telling you to go and get everything, but whatever you need, you can just come to this resource page and take it. Okay, so now when promoting offers from ClickBank or from Digistore24, they do not allow you to direct link offers. Okay, so that means while promoting, okay, so they'll give you an affiliate link from here. So okay, I'll just show you what an affiliate link in case you are new. Okay, so affiliate link is the link. Okay, so you just have to type your username, whatever username that you have inserted while creating your ClickBank account. Okay, so now you just have to copy this link. Okay, so now this is the link that will get tracked back to you. That means everyone who clicks this link and make a purchase, you'll get credited. Okay, but you cannot direct link this. Okay, you cannot send this link directly. Okay, so for that you need a landing page. Okay, so you need a landing page. So I also gave you a link out here for landing page and autoresponder. Okay, so I've made a review on this landing page. This is from GetResponse. Okay, so now I think they have some discount out here. So you'll need this landing page creator software. Okay, so what this landing page creator does is that it will create a bridge page between your offer and your traffic source. Okay, so your traffic source is the emails which you sent, and you just have to create a landing page, and in the landing page you'll create you'll insert your affiliate link. Okay, so I think I made a video on that. If you are confused, you can just send me you can chat with me. Okay, so if you have any questions, you just have to click this link out here and you can chat with me on Skype. Okay, so now let's go to the next step. Okay, so now if you choose this link, that is cheap and best email extractor verifier sender, you will need a SMTP server. Okay, so actually you'll need a SMTP server, dedicated SMTP server. So I highly recommend you guys to go and get a dedicated SMTP server for sending bulk emails. Okay, so for that you can head over to fiverr.com and just insert this term SMTP, and you'll find a lot of people who are selling SMTP servers. Okay, so you'll need this to send bulk emails. Okay, so I've also a website where you can send at least 6,500 emails every single hour. Okay, so if you want that, you can go and get an email extractor and contact me on Skype, and I'll give you a link to that vendor. Okay, so yeah, these are some of the tools that you need. Okay, now this is the method. Okay, you extract emails, you verify those emails, and you send emails promoting offers from ClickBank. And after that, if you do not want to write your own emails, you can write it out here. And you need a landing page. Okay, you need a landing page creator, and you need autoresponder, because we'll be sending emails automatically. Okay, so this is something that you need. Okay, and SMTP servers, you need that as well. Okay, so yeah, this is the method out here. Now other steps out here is if you want the best training and coaching program in affiliate marketing. I know there are thousands of offers in on the internet, and 99% are scam. Okay, but I've done all the research for you, and I found the top 3. Okay, so this is something else, but this is the top 3 ones that can make you good amount of money. Okay, so you remember the webinar which I told you to watch out here. Okay, so this is the same as clone my 7-figure business in 20 minutes. Okay, so once you go out here, you'll be taken to this page. Okay, so this is a 5-second video revolution, building a 7-figure empire using artificial intelligence in record time. Okay, so this is something that you need to go and watch this webinar. Okay, just give your name and your email address and just register for the masterclass now. You just have to click and just watch the webinar. Okay, so it will be worth your time. Okay, so this is something that I highly recommend because it has everything inside. Okay, so this is my top priority. This second priority is the zero cost 3-step system to make $10,000 every single month. Okay, so now this is the second thing. This is also a free training with bonuses. Just go and watch this training. Okay, so this is also something that you need to do. Even if you are an advanced marketer, you need to watch this thing. Okay, so because he's the guy who is going to change your life for the better. Okay, so because he is awesome. Okay, third but not least. Okay, so you can see out here, done for you system and software that creates compounding monthly recurring income. Okay, so now this perpetual income has been online for a lot of years, and I know this guy is a genuine guy, and you can make good money on ClickBank using his method. Okay, so just go and watch this video and just know what it is all about and just go through it. Okay, so I think he will explain his system better than me. Okay, so I want you guys to go and watch it free. Okay, I'm giving you all this free training so that you can decide which one to join. Okay, so all these 3, my favorite is the first one. Okay, so I'll be brutally honest with you, the first one is the best, but these are, you need always more than one source of income. Okay, so just go and get this one. What if you have the budget, go and get all these 3, and you won't regret. Okay, and next thing is this one, buy premium buyer clicks directly to any offer. So now this is the best thing that you can ever go and get. Okay, so whether you are promoting any offer or service, whatever you are promoting, okay, so you can go and buy clicks directly. Okay, buyer clicks directly. That means you do not have to build your list, you do not have to go and create landing page. Landing page is necessary, one thing out here. So because all the offers, you need a landing page and you need an autoresponder. Okay, so you just need this one, and just forget everything and just go and buy premium buyer clicks directly to any offer. Okay, so now this, if you have the budget, go with this one. Okay, so once you go with this one, you'll be taken to this page. Just click this add solo ads and you'll be taken to this. Okay, now go through this. Okay, go through all this system. Okay, so now this is the guy. Okay, so this is the guy who is going to train you, and he's also buying from this person. Okay, so this needs money. Okay, but yeah, it will be worth it. Okay, so if you want to get buyer clicks are clicks there are people who has already bought a lot of offers from this email list owners. Okay, so you can go and just buy clicks from them to any offer and make money. Okay, so you do not have to go with the big offer first. Okay, I do not recommend. Okay, so I want you to go and start with this one. Okay, this one per week, and this is the fastest way to build your list. Okay, so once you build your list, you can email again and again. Okay, so yeah, they are also a premium buyer, 100 clicks one time. Okay, so this is also a tester package of one time 100 clicks. Okay, so this is the beauty, is that you can go and test the traffic, then you can go and move on to this offer. Okay, so this is the best system out there. Okay, so I've given you all the resources you need. Okay, you can start slow but go down slowly. Okay, so but if you want to get the training, go with this one. Okay, so this is the best option for you guys. Okay, so if you, whether you are a newbie or an advanced user, you need this. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you very much for watching this video. These are the steps that I've told you. These are the 16 steps to make money online. Okay, so I've given you all the steps, and I've given you all the required links out here, and I know that you will need some help. Okay, so if you are confused, if you do not know anything about these links, okay, so if you have any doubts, just if you want to clear your doubts, just chat with me. Okay, so I'm on Skype and I'm ready to help you guys. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please go to a2wizard.com and get the softwares and get this training from my link, and I'll be there to help you guys. Okay, so see you inside. Let's make money together. Bye bye.